She walks the night by the water. She's gone astray so far away from my father's daughter.
Billie Eilish arrived at the star-studded event. Wearing a pink pinstripe button-down by Gucci, black Raf Simons shorts, a sharp pink tie, and clear-colored all sneakers, Margot Robbie's most glamorous Barbie look of the entire tour was this black custom Schiaparelli haute couture gown for the Los Angeles premiere of the highly anticipated film. The actress wore a design inspired by the doll Solo in the Spotlight look from 1960. Ryan Gosling arrived at the Los Angeles premiere of Barbie, wearing a Barbie Corey pink blush suit paired with a light pink silk shirt and white lace-up shoes. He accessorized with a necklace with a letter E pendant in the signature Barbie font. Gosling's full look was from Gucci.
Single mom, I doing out there, facing the odd life.